Welcome to Monday's Mindful Community Collective Meditation. We're thrilled that you're a part of our mindfulness community. Please share this meditation with others in your life so that this community continues to grow. So today, I'm going to guide you through a meditation that takes us to a special place with the purpose of helping us to relax, rejuvenate, and heal. As usual, let's find a comfortable place to sit with your back as straight as you can so that you can breathe deeply and fully, but most importantly, be comfortable. And let's begin the meditation by taking a few long, deep breaths, nice and easy. Just breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And as we're breathing in, this time see if you can send the warm energy of the breath to any part of your body that's feeling tense or sore or tight. As you breathe out, just releasing the tension and just breathing it out. Breathing in and breathing all the tension and soreness and tightness out. And any unwelcome thoughts that come to mind, those too can be sent out with the breath. Just breathing in and releasing those thoughts with the exhale. So that just for a moment, the mind is as clear as possible. And any emotions that are rocking around in there, those too can be noted and acknowledged and just sent out with the breath. So that your emotional self can be still and quiet, like a lake with no ripples. And now imagine a place where you feel calm and peaceful and easy. A place either make-believe or real. A place from your past, or somewhere you've always wanted to go. It doesn't matter, just so it's a place that feels good and safe and peaceful to you. And allow the place to become real to you. Look around you. Take the place in with your eyes. Notice the colors, the scenery. You can look over to your right and over to your left. And just listen to the sounds of this place, whatever they might be. Becoming familiar with all the different sounds that your special, safe place offers up to you. And feel whatever you're sitting against or lying on. The texture of the ground beneath you. And feel the air on your skin. Notice the temperature of this place and smell its rich fragrance. Noticing all the smells in your special place. Notice what time of day it is. Enjoy the light or the dark. and the peaceful time of day. So just taking it all in, all the richness of it, with all of your senses. Become more and more attuned to your safe and beautiful special place. Just feeling thankful and happy to be there. And let your body soak in the vibrance of the place. Let the beauty of this place of healing just nourish you. Taking it in with every full, deep breath. Just breathing it in and breathing out. All the way down into your belly as you're breathing, all the way down to the tips of your toes. Just feel the penetrating warmth and power of this place, soaking into your skin, down through the muscle and bone, all the way to each and every cell. Just reaching down to the peaceful stillness at your very center. Just breathing in and breathing out in this very special place. And just know that you can come back to this place whenever you wish to help your body, mind, and spirit relax, rejuvenate, and heal. Simply by finding quiet time and place, getting into a comfortable position, either sitting in a chair or even lying down, and imagining yourself in your special place. And just keeping your eyes closed for just a few moments longer. Taking a moment to notice how you're feeling. Your body, your mind, your spirit. And once again, feeling yourself as you're sitting in your chair or if you're lying down, breathing in and out rhythmically and easily, slowly coming back into the room and opening your eyes whenever you're ready.
Thank you for joining us. We hope this meditation brings you peace and calm.